Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and another what I eat in a day. For those of you that are new, I lost 50 pounds and I've been able to keep the weight off with smarter, healthier meal options and a better lifestyle. I do have an entire playlist dedicated to a bunch of meal ideas if you're interested, so be sure to check those out. I'm going to start with a coffee. This is actually coffee that I made last night and kept in the refrigerator overnight to chill. I like to do this rather than adding ice to prevent the coffee from watering down. And then I added my oat milk brown sugar flavored coffee creamer. Now I'm going to make up some hard-boiled eggs to have for breakfast, but also to keep in the fridge to have on hand. I typically do this. I'll do 1 or 2 batches to have them pre-made and ready to either eat as hard-boiled eggs or as I'm going to today. While my eggs steam, I'm going to show you the bread I'll be using today. This is the Pepperidge Farm light style. I'm just going to use 1 slice, but you can see the serving size here, which is still very light. You can have up to 3 slices to meet the full represented numbers on the back. So keep that in mind. It's always so important to read serving sizes. Once the timer on my eggs goes off, I like to put them in a bowl of ice water. I find this really helps to make removing the shells much easier. So I'm going to take 2 out that I will be using today and then put the rest in the fridge for another time. Then I just cut these up and add pepper. Sometimes I also like to add some chives and about half a tablespoon of light mayo or Greek yogurt to give it more of that egg salad consistency. I'm actually getting ready to film a new makeup tutorial this morning, so I'm going to film that after I'm done eating breakfast. You guys know I also always have an ice water with me, so I try and get as much water in as I can every day. For a late morning snack, I'm going to cut up a bunch of fruit. I love making little mixed fruit salads, switching up the fruit, but today I'm going to use some strawberries, golden berries, and kiwi. I love this especially in the summertime. It's just a very light, refreshing, sweet, and easy to eat snack. For lunch, I'm going to make a protein shake, so I'm going to fill my Magic Bullet about halfway with ice, then a serving size of my protein collagen powder, a tablespoon of cocoa powder, a tablespoon of whipped peanut butter. Sometimes I also use PB2 powder, 1/4 cup Greek yogurt, and I'll typically add in a handful of spinach also, but I ran out, so we're gonna skip that for today. Then top this off with oat milk and a frozen banana. And we're just gonna blend this all together to make it really smooth, thick, and creamy. To begin dinner, I'm first going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Then I'm going to cut up about 7 ounces of cauliflower, chop up my pepitas, slice 1 whole scallion, and dice up about 3.5 ounces or 1 large bell pepper. Next, we're going to place the cauliflower and the bell pepper into a large bowl, adding about half a tablespoon of cooking oil and adding about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper, coating evenly. Then you can spread your cauliflower and bell pepper into an even layer on a lined baking sheet, roasting for about 18 to 20 minutes, stirring about halfway through. To make the slaw, we're going to add the cabbage, carrots, scallion, and seeds into a medium bowl and drizzle this with the dressing. We're going to be using the lemon cumin dressing today, adding salt and pepper to taste, and then just toss this all to combine. Then for the protein, today we're going to be using shrimp, so we're going to rinse and pat dry. Then placing this in a bowl, we're going to season this with the harissa seasoning, salt, and pepper, adding about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and stirring evenly to coat. Next, heat up a pan to about medium to high heat, adding the shrimp, and searing for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the shrimp are fully cooked. And then just plate everything, drizzling your dressing or sauce over top to taste. I plated everything together on 1 plate, and Will and I just shared from 1 giant plate. However, you can of course certainly divide this to 2 separate plates. For dessert tonight, we're gonna have one of my favorites. This is a Built bar. It's a protein bar that tastes just like a candy bar, but without the guilt. Tonight, I'm going to have the lemon cheesecake flavor. It's so good. The flavor is spot on. It tastes just like a lemon cheesecake. It has like that light, refreshing lemon zest. So good. It's one of my favorite flavors, especially in the summertime. I've been a huge fan of Built Bar for many years now. They're gluten-free, nut-free, no preservatives, real chocolate, and the consistency of them is amazing. It's like this soft, fluffy, almost like a marshmallow type texture on the inside, and then the dipped hard chocolate coating on the outside. They're low calorie, low sugar, low carb, but high protein. So these help with my sweet cravings, but also keep me on track with my healthier lifestyle and smarter eating habits. If you have tried Built Bar, I would love to know which flavor is your favorite, so comment that down below. So that's everything for today's What I Eat in a Day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to make sure you're still subscribed to my channel and you have notifications turned on so you never miss a new video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.